My name is Manoj Patankar, and I would like to invite you to join us for the National Aviation Symposium here at Purdue University. The National Aviation Symposium is set up to talk about recruitment, retention, and development of talent in the aviation industry. We are going to talk about the entire ecosystem of the aviation industry, not just pilot shortage. You will hear about pilot demand, of course, but you will also hear about technician demand and supply. You will also hear about new technologies that could disrupt our own assumptions about demands and supply. For example, you will hear about electric airplanes. You will hear about VTOLs, vertical takeoff and landing airplanes. You will hear about big data and analytics that go behind the scenes and will change the way we do business in our aviation industry. If you've already registered and you're planning to come to Purdue on campus here, that would be fabulous. We are excited to see you. Of course, if your schedule is tight and you're not able to attend, we do have online options available. So please consider attending online via a link that we will send to you once you register for online or virtual attendance only. We will start off with data about pilot demand, technician demand. So we'll have presentations by Kit Darby and Christian Klein, and then we will move to solutions that are being developed by various members of our community. So for example, what are high schools doing? What are community organizations doing? How are airlines and repair stations and community organizations coming together to create a solution that works not only for pilots and technicians, but for the entire ecosystem. Of course, we will talk about DEI and diversity issues and how we can recruit, retain, and develop minority candidates for our aviation industry. So yes, this is a great opportunity to hear from other people about challenges and opportunities as well as solutions that are being placed and being worked on today. But we would like to hear from you. What are your ideas? How are you helping or participating in the solution development for our talent, recruitment, retention, and development for the entire ecosystem? Join us in that conversation. So we look forward to seeing you at the National Aviation Symposium here at Purdue University, either in person or online. Thank you.